What's up, you guys? Welcome to Vlogmas day 9. So today I've been doing some work and doing laundry and editing Vlogmas for yesterday. So right now I'm going to think about my dinner plan, what I'm gonna cook. I think I have an idea, so I'm gonna do that, and that's about it. Not much has gone on today. Like I said, I just did laundry. And I'm gonna start packing here soon for my trip, and yeah, so not much today. But yeah, not much is going on today. Like I said, it's just been kind of mellow day. I made my infamous green smoothie to start getting my packing ready for my trip, so that's really about it. All right, you guys, I'll catch up with you in a little bit. And then these are jackets I'm gonna bring. I'm going somewhere cold. This is a jacket I got for a camping trip back in February, and it's really nice. It's waterproof too, so it's definitely a great winter jacket. This one over here, I've had it for a long time. I think I got it from Burlington Coat Factory. It's really nice, really soft, and it's really flexible. You can like fold it up. It's really squishy. You can pretty much fold it up and put it in a bag, which is really nice. But yeah, as you can tell, I love pink. So these are gonna be my two jackets that I'm gonna bring. All right, you guys, so this is my Downy. Well, hello guys. Welcome back to today. Like I said, today was pretty much just like work and laundry, starting to pack. Now I'm going to make my Friday ritual, which is my cheese pizza. It's just good and easy and kind of like a little treat for me. So pizza, and I normally like to put a pan underneath it, so there, so if anything, you know, drips or falls, I can just not have to worry about the mess or cleanup. So there she goes for, I think, 18 minutes. So I like to do the rack method, so yeah, 18 to 21 minutes. So alright, you guys, so I wanted to sit down on the couch with you guys and just kind of chit chat about the day while my pizza's in the oven. I'm so glad it is the weekend. Oof, it has been a week. I feel like work has been progressively getting busier, you know, leading up to my time off, and I've just been getting pulled in different directions, and I'm definitely starting to feel it, you know? And it's crazy because, you know, a week before this, it was just quiet. Nothing was going on. You know, I'm a little perturbed because it's like, whenever you, it never fails. It just never fails when you're about to, you know, go somewhere or do something that just stuff pops up, and I'm definitely feeling it. So I'm getting a bit frustrated because, you know, all this stuff is happening. Obviously, my car is a big part of it. It makes you realize that when it rains, it pours. And I feel like the clouds are open and it's just pouring down now. So I'm definitely feeling, you know, the brunt of it, and just like, give me a break here. Time out. Hold on, you know? So, yeah. I don't really know what to say. Then all of a sudden, just crap hits the fan, and it's like pandemonium and like scrapping, putting stuff together, you know. So yeah, this is not the way I wanted to go into the weekend, you know. This is not a Friday evening that I was thinking about. So yeah, I might just, I think I need to take a personal day. I don't think I've ever taken a sick day in like a long time, you know. So maybe I need to do that, you know. And even sick days, I feel like that should be called a personal day, you know. So it could be sick, but it also could be a mental health day. Maybe you just need a day off, you know, to yourself, to do absolutely nothing. Or maybe you just need to take a day off because it's a random Thursday, you know. So yeah. Well, my pizza is ready, as you heard the buzz. So let's go take it. See how it looks. Okay, so I'm gonna do a couple more minutes because it's not as brown as I would like it. A couple more minutes. Let's see how it's looking. Yes. Now that looks good. That looks like a delicious pizza. Let's go on and take her out. The pizza is kind of flat. I don't know. I mean, pizza looks really thin this time. A little bit. It's sometimes when I get it, it's a bit thicker than this. So we're gonna cut. Well, hello, you guys. I just finished with my pizza a little bit ago. Oh. The pizza was just okay. It wasn't that great at all. It was very thin, like thin crust. And normally that pizza has a bit of a, you know, thickness to it. It just did not taste good. The crust was very, just didn't seem like it was very cooked, you know, undercooked. So I'll have to probably put it in the air fryer tomorrow. That'll make it taste better. But yeah, needless to say, I was pretty disappointed. And normally it tastes pretty good coming out of the oven, but lately I've been putting that pizza in the air fryer and it tastes really good. So I wish I could put the whole thing in there, but it's just too big, you know? So it was kind of a bummer. And so now I am just getting things organized, organizing a bit of my stuff, my clothes. I'm writing lists, to-do lists. You gotta have a checklist, always, when you are packing. So I have that, just trying to think of little things, you know, that you kind of might not remember, like a cord or charging cord. And I'm gonna wrap up for tonight, wrap this vlog up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a little bit more mellow today, but you know, that's how some days are. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and if you are new, subscribe. Join the journey, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
On this night, this silent night,